complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Exercise B has been before puja session. All of you are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Exercise C, this one, huh? So this value, suppose 30% of 200 and type of thing I told you. Look, I am doing the first one, huh? 30% of 540 ml. It is nothing, just, you know, of means what? Junaid, of means?
Ma'am, multiplication.
Exactly, and 30%. If we want to remove this percentage sign, then what to write? 30 by
540.
30 by percentage, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Percentage then 100. Mistakenly,
100,
I
yes,
said
yes.
that.
Yes. Into of means multiplication into
Yes, ma'am.
540. Acha, here is ml, so write ml also, the unit also. Okay. Now look, cut cancellation. Actually, 540 by nothing means what? 1 is in the denominator. Now you can easily cut cancel. It is fraction multiplication, na? So look, 1 0 will be cut there, another 0 will be cut with this 0. So just it will be 3 into 54.
54.
By 1, you need to write 1 in the denominator, okay? Now what will be the answer?
Email also.
Acha, email also, good. Now what will be the answer?
Who will
Acha,
tell?
Divyanka don't say. Show Jashish. Show Jashish.
Yes, ma'am.
Say, what will be the answer? 3 into 54.
Ma'am, I am doing.
This multiplication is very much easy. Even you can do. No, Divyanka, no.
Ma'am, I can tell.
No.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Sridhar 3.
Yes, ma'am.
3 into 54.
3 into 54. 162.
162. Very good. Okay. Now number B. Acha, I will complete A, B, E and F. C, D will be your homework. Huh? In class, I will complete A, B, E, F. Okay, done to this one. Shuhana, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Tazif, Anuva.
Yes, ma'am. Done. No, ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, do it first.
And ma'am, in this sum, sometimes the answer comes in decimal.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I am also
doing
doing the next one.
Okay, good. Number
I
B,
also
it is
doing next
given 45% of 350 kilogram. That means 45 by 100 into 350 kilogram. Yes. अच्छा 1 0 will be cancelled out. Yes तो अच्छा here look at this, as it is 0 over there. Okay, so it will be very much easy. Don't make any cut cancellation. Basically why? Look, 45 is there, it is 5, it is also 5 na. So there is no 2, both are not divisible by 2 though, but 10 is divisible by 2, 5 2s are 10. So definitely totally it will not be cut cancelled na. 1 2, so no need to cut cancel. Suppose you are going to do in this way, that by 5 we can cut 35, it will be 5 7 35, it will be 5 2s are 10, then normal multiplication, then by 2. Yes Tom, yes, that process
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can do, that process you can do. But one more thing what you can do, if we don't cut cancel, look, then only we have to multiply this 45 and 35. Yes to 45 and 35, multiply this one. Why 10? Why
350, the 0 will come into that.
Because if we take the 0 over there, then we can easily move the decimal
Easy to
point.
divide. Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. Exactly. That's why. Now, do this multiplication. 45 into 35.
Answer.
No. Wait.
Ma'am.
Tazif, you will say the answer.
Okay, ma'am, I am doing.
Ma'am, I have done it the previous way. Means I have cut.
By 2. Huh? Okay. If it take less time, then it is okay. Okay. Understood too?
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever calculation you want, you can do, but just be careful. It should take less time. Got it too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say Tazib. The answer show Mujib. The answer. बोलिए
457.5 kilogram.
Acha, no,
Yes,
I am
ma'am.
just telling this multiplication. Tazib,
Oh, then 1575.
Tazib, your answer is also same, 1575.
Yes, ma'am, it is same.
Okay, now look, as 1 0 is in the denominator, so point will move 1 place to the left side. Yes, so ultimately this will be 157.5. That's why I told, if in the denominator there is multiple of 10, 0, then no need to cut cancel. Okay, it will be more. Now Divyanka understood too. Divyanka
Yes,
now.
ma'am. I said yes.
Okay. Acha, so done this one. Now number E. I am clearing it, huh? 75% of 900. Oh no, that one is C, na? Acha, 20% of 540 kilometer. Number E, 20%. 20 by 100, yes to. Shomajit, are you there? 2 0 will be cancelled out. One from 540, another from 20. Now just 2 into 54. Yes to.
Yes, ma'am.
This one is very much easy, na? Even percentage is a very easy chapter, huh? But the problem based question will be there in exam, okay, from exercise C. So,
And ma'am, I have a question.
yes,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like this kind of sum, we have got a process. But ma'am, like that kind of sum means, ma'am, 10% discount. Ma'am, that kind of sum, how we will do? Or they are not in our book?
10% discount, that type of thing, basically it is from profit and loss. It is in your book, but not in this syllabus, okay? Not in FA2 syllabus, understood? So don't
Okay,
worry, I'll also make you understand that one at the time of SA2. Acha, now let me start number F. I am clearing. Shuhana, Anuva, done to?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, next, Amitrajit, you will say the answer of next one. F. 50% of 520 meter. Acha, I am not writing the unit. Okay, I am just ignoring it. But put the unit in every sum. Okay, that is kilometer means in each and every line. Kilometer. Okay, just like here in each and every line, meter. Okay, but I am not putting it. Acha, now look at this. 50 by 100 into 520. Put the unit, meter. Suppose I don't put it here, okay? Don't do mistake. I am telling you for so long time. Achha, now look, this 20 will be cancelled out. Amitrajit, what will be the answer?
Wait, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, I can
Divyanka,
say.
no.
Ma'am, I can say.
Ma'am,
I can say you know I am not going to
Found
ask
the answer,
you.
ma'am. I found the
Achha,
answer.
wait.
I found the answer. Hello?
Amitrajit, say. Yes.
260. 260.
Yes,
Pujan,
ma'am.
the answer is correct. Pujan, बोली दुनिया है
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Acha, now the problem based question. Acha, no, question number 2 is what percentage is? Acha, this type of question, let me Orpon, Riazuddin, Shayon, keep your camera on. Acha, now this type of question. What percentage is 4 months of a year? Suppose I am asking you what percentage question. What percentage is rupees? Acha, is 75 paise of 1 rupee?
I'm 75, you told, I think.
Oh, I have told 75 and I have written 70. Okay. Orpon, written the question. Anushka.
Yes, ma'am. We all written the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, 75 paise of rupees 1. The first thing we have to make the convert same. We have to make the unit same.
Yes,
We
ma'am,
have to
yes.
convert the unit into both the unit into same unit. Okay. Here it is paise, here it is rupee. Which one is greater?
Ma'am, rupees is greater than paisa.
Rupees is greater than paise. Okay. Then if we from a smaller unit, maybe one little bit chances to get a decimal. Yes, too. So try to convert the greater one to lesser. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? So 1 rupee is equal
100
to
paise.
100 paise.
100
Got
paise.
it? Okay, now 75 paise is how much percentage of this 100 paise? That means it is nothing. Just find the
Multiply.
ratio.
75 only.
75 is out of 100. It is 75. Na? Yes, to. Out of 100, it is 75. Yes or no? Which one is up?
Yes.
75 paise. What percent is 75 paise? So always take this one in the numerator. Got it? And of which one? Of 1 rupee. So this off part will always be in the denominator. Got it? So understood?
But ma'am, we can cut. Will you cut?
But here no need to even cut. Na? Look, 75 by 100. It is in a very simple process. Na? It is in a very simple way. Look, by 100 means what? We can easily write 75%. We have to find the percentage though.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no? 75%. Now, Divyanka, you told me that, ma'am, can we cut? Yes. Now, let me explain that process. If you cut 75 by 100, so now by 25, we can easily cut 325 and 4. It will be 3 by
Yes,
4,
ma'am.
right? 3 by 4, so. But after that, again, we have to convert into percentage. Then again, we will have to multiply by 100% because it is the fraction.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
question is asked what percentage, not fraction. No? We have to find the percentage. So if we do this now again 4 2s are 10, then 20, 4 5s are 20. That means 3 into 25. That means again look, the answer is coming 75%. Na? Yes,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
no?
Same.
Same.
Yes,
So
ma'am. The
why
shortest
is-
answer is your process.
Wastage of time it will be.
So this will be wastage of time. But as it is 100 in the denominator, then this will be wastage of time. But suppose in place of 100, it is any other number. Suppose 75 by 150. Then you have to do cut cancel. First convert it into fraction, then again into 100%. Got it?
Yes,
Ashmita?
ma'am.
Ashmita, if you
Ma'am,
understood or not? If not, then say. Ashmita, Anuva?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Yes, okay. Shafin, Riazuddin and Tuhinur.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Shourjashi, Shomodip, Orithro, Orpon, everyone. Acha, I am not taking the name individually. Just confirm yes or no. Say yes or no, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. Acha, now? Okay, okay. Now this one. Here also A, B, then E, F. C, D will be your homework, huh? Acha, number F.
We already done.
Acha, okay. 4 marks. Which one already done?
Ma'am, number B.
Ma'am, can I go?
Oh, number B I explained, na? Acha,
Ma'am,
acha, acha. Hi, yes, you can go.
Ma'am, can I go to toilet?
Go and come first, okay? 4 months of a year. 4 months of a year. Acha, 1 year. 1 year means how many months? 12.
12.
So first
12.
thing what we will have to do,
12.
1 year is equal to, yes, 12 months. The first thing what we will do, 1 year is equal to 12 months. Anushka, keep your camera on. Anushka. Acha, now look at this. Acha, Trisha is in the class. Ipshita? Acha,
Yes, ma'am.
Trisha is in the class.
No, ma'am, not present.
No,
Even
ma'am.
yesterday also she was absent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Trisha told me that Trisha is having a viral fever.
Oh, acha, okay. Then tell her to take medicine properly, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Acha, now look at this. Now the just how to write the required percentage. The required.
Ma'am, we need to write it sentence, or I think we can directly do the sum.
Directly you can do. Okay, I am just writing. Both the thing are correct. Okay. Now 4 by 12. Acha, as it is 12, not 100 na. So what we will do? Into 100%. Got it too?
Yes, ma'am. Now
you
cut
can
cancel.
cancel. 4, 3 are 12. So 100%. That means 100 by 3%. Now it will be 33.33, na? How
Ma'am,
should I?
place.
Yes, eh?
And 2 place after decimal.
I have taken 2 places. Okay. You can take
Okay, ma'am.
1. No issue. Okay.
Because it was not ending. I was doing
Yes,
the wrap,
yes,
it is not ending.
So understood too, this one?
Yes, ma'am,
Anushka,
I got it.
Shmita, Shayun, Tezib.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Acharya's Tuhinur, Mirza is there.
Yes,
Mirza,
ma'am.
understood. Shamia, Mirza.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Amit Rajit, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Next question number C.
Next, question number E.
Okay, ma'am.
20 seconds of a minute. First, I'm writing 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now just directly
Yes, ma'am.
20 by 60 into 100%.
Ma'am, don't we need to write the unit?
No, here what percentage? Why we are not going to write the unit? 20 second by 60 second. So ultimately,
Yes, ma'am.
in
It
the
will be
next
cut.
line it will be vanished. Not it will be cut. Okay. We cannot cut this unit. Okay. Basically, it is called comparison. Huh? It is a wrong thing. Huh? It is a wrong thing. In higher class, you will learn about it. Okay. But in lower class, usually we say, acha, this one is cut, has been cut, na? Acha, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
One day I'll take class about this, huh? How that unit are vanished, okay? But basically, I am not getting extra classes. Even you made a request that on every Friday, if after 2 p.m., that one also has not been done, na? Acha, this one now by 2, same answer, na? Same answer too.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Because it will be 100 by 3.
Now number F.
It is a coincidence.
Yes, acha. In number F, both are given in same unit. Look, 12 rupee, 100 rupee, na? So directly we can do the required percentage. I'm not writing the statement, okay? I'm doing the required percentage is 12 by, acha, basically here one thing, in the denominator it is already 100 given though. So again we'll do the same process into 100% cut cancellation. Divyanka?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Divyanka, in the denominator it is 100 na? So directly we can write 12%. Just like 75, 1 rupee I explained na?
Yes, ma'am.
So when in the denominator already 100 will be given, then no need to do any calculation. Just remove that 100 and put percentage sign. Because 12 by 100 means what? 100%. Na? Suppose 21
Yes,
by
ma'am.
100 means what? 21%. Yes,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
So don't do like a gaha into 100%, then again card cancellation. Okay, don't do this. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Done to?
Yes,
Done.
ma'am.
Okay, now question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Acha, Debolin?
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. I'm reading.
Hmm.
The income of a man is rupees 5,650 per month. He saves 25% of his monthly income. Find his monthly saving in rupees.
Acha, that means, look, his total income is rupees, say, rupees
5,650.
50. And out of this total amount, 25% of this amount, of this total, he saves. That means we can write he saves 25% of this total income of rupees 5,650. Up to this, anyone has doubt? Up to this?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Same.
No, Tosh. Shidatri, Shamia, no one has doubt. Mirza?
No, ma'am.
Acha. That means what is the amount?
No,
Saving
ma'am.
amount we have to find, na? So directly it is very much easy, na? 25 by 100 into rupees 5,650. Then card cancellation and find the amount. Got it or not? Okay, so write the statement properly, huh? Monthly income of a man is equal to rupees 5,650. He saves 25% of it. Yes, so it means what? It means this amount, the income, monthly income. Yes. So his monthly saving, Shridatri, again, just like every day, I cannot see you, but your fan is visible properly. His monthly saving is equal to 5% of rupees 5,650. Are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Completed.
Yes, good.
But the
1
answer
0 will be
came in
cancelled out.
decimal.
Exactly, it will be in decimal. Okay. Acha, here both the process you can follow. First, you can multiply this numerator, then by 10, decimal point will move one place to the left side, and or you can cut it by 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Both will be correct. Okay. So rupees, if we multiply 565 into 5, what will be the answer? Acha, Junaid will say.
Okay, ma'am. Please wait, ma'am. I am doing.
By 2 will be in the denominator. Devolin completed. Divyanka,
Yes, ma'am. Can I tell?
no,
Yes,
wait.
ma'am, complete.
Junaid first.
Yes, ma'am, I completed now.
Acha, Kazi, understood to? Anushka,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I not understood.
Shuhana, which
Yes,
line
ma'am.
you have not understood? This cut cancellation or the whole sum?
Ma'am, cut cancellation.
It is the very much easy, beta. Just 1 0 look I have cut.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then by 5 we have cut 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. Yes, so now
Yes,
just
ma'am.
normal this 5 into 565. Multiply this one 5 5s 25. Carry 2 5 6 30
Ma'am, I have done. I
plus
can say
2
the answer.
32. Say
Ma'am, the answer will be 1412.5.
no. No, Junaid. Acha, now Debolin. You can say, Junaid, I have just asked the answer of this multiplication only, not the actual answer. Okay, Junaid, only the multiplication.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Then I can
Yes.
tell the answer. The answer is 2825.
Good. Yes.
I mistakenly said the actual answer.
Exactly. Because I have to ask the actual answer to another student. Okay. But not Divyanka. Acha, Divyanka. Today Divyanka will say, huh? This division, the answer.
Ma'am, rupees 1412.5.
Rupees 1412.5 or decimal 5. Yes. Acha, this division, I think all of you can do it yourself now. So many times has been done. This has been done now. This type of question. Okay, now let me explain the other one. Up to this completed to Anuva, Shuhana.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the acha, have you written the answer to? Or I'll have to show it. Have you done it?
Ma'am, my copy is finished. So can I take a new copy?
Yes, definitely. Even I am sure writing the answer also. Okay, do it and put the rupee sign. Now the fourth one. Okay, Amitrajit, read the fourth one. Acha, it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
already 1:07. 7 minutes past 1. So, okay, no issue. Tomorrow from 4 I'll start. Huh? Acha, your homework is from 1 C and D and from 2 also C and D. These 4 questions. Okay.
Okay,
Today
ma'am.
you will send the assignment.
But yes.
Ma'am,
But
what is
after 3 p.m. only, I will create the assignment. You can send it after 3 p.m. only. Okay. Because not before 3 p.m. I will not get time to create the assignment. Okay. Only after 3 p.m. I will create the assignment. Okay. So after from 3 onwards, you can send your homework. Got it?